Hello everyone, today we will learn how to create a serial list in Excel. Normally, if we want to create a serial list, we use field handle feature. We type one number, we type next number, and when what we do, we drag it and we get the list created. But if you have to create a list very long, then field handle feature will take a lot of time. To create a list very quickly, a serial list, you can do what? You can use fill feature. Suppose you want to create a list from 1 to 1000, write the first value in a cell, then go to the home tab. In the editing group, click on the fill feature. In that series option is there, click on series option. When you click on series option, series dialog box will appear. There you have to write the step value and the stop value. After that you click OK. You will see that the list is created in the row form, but we need to have in column form. So we will click on fill again. We'll go to the series option and there we will click column. Step value means the value increase how much, and then the maximum value 1000. Now you see I'm going I'm scrolling down. You can see that we have got the value up to 1000. Okay, so with the help of this fill feature, you can create a list very easily you can create. Let's create a list of 1 to 5000. Okay, for that what we need to do, we will just write first value, then go to fill. In the fill, go to series, select column option, write the step value 1, stop value 5000, then click OK. What you find that 1 to 1000 serial list is created. So it is very easy and very helpful. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notification.